Marina? Do you feel poor?
I don't feel poor, I'm poor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina. This is a short vlog on my village home.
There's a house, shitty house. We don't stay here, so it has become all worn out. Do you like the house, Marina?
No,
Do you feel poor? Huh?
I don't feel poor, I'm poor.
You're poor.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the main house. My dad is reconstructing and renovating it. So it's gonna be better maybe in the next block when I come back here. So he just changed that what do you call it, tin. It was all damaged and water was leaking inside the house. This is the two rooms. One was for my mom and dad, one was for me and my sister, and that's kitchen. Kitchen's quite big. It's like bigger than the main house. Like there's like this side we store, and that beach maze is dining and everything, and that one is the kitchen. So that's my aunt's place. Even that's broken, she doesn't stay. We all stay in the city, so it's not taken care of. And that's my grandpa's. That one is my grandpa. He can't see nicely. And this one is my uncle. Two uncles' house. Like same building, but they have been separated.